So guys, this is Mount Kupapoy again. We have actually I tried to I did record my activity here, coming here from that area. Sitio Favari is where I started running up until when I'm down there. And when I'm down there, when I check the Suunto application that where I record my activity, it's not recording. That's why it's a shame. My motivation got fade away. I have no motivation now to jog again or to walk, because my plan is to train and record it on Suunto app so that I can see and I have a basis on my training plan on trail running. But unfortunately, the Suunto app on my cell phone keeps on stopping. I don't know. Yesterday I did start again and same thing. I think it's not compatible with my cell phone, or I think my cell phone has a problem with the application, because I've been using the Suunto application. Although I don't have a Garmin or smartwatch or a watch to connect the my Suunto app application, still I'm using the application on my cell phone, and it's true. There's no problem with it. It's a very helpful application, but I did try to install on this cell phone, but unfortunately it keeps on stopping. I don't know the problem. That's why I think I will install the old application that I'm using. Although it's not popular application, but it is a great help for me. It's like a Suunto app or Strava application, though. It is yeah, but the application is Running Ziopa. Running Ziopa is the first application that I'm using to track my training plan, and I shifted to Suunto, then Strava, but I don't use my Strava because Strava requires signal and internet, while the Suunto